Deep facial cleansing is a process that goes beyond everyday washing, targeting impurities and buildup that can accumulate within the pores. This thorough approach helps remove excess oil, dead skin cells, and environmental pollutants that regular cleansing might miss. Dermatologists emphasize the importance of periodic deep cleansing because it supports the skin's natural renewal cycle and prevents common issues such as acne, dullness, and congestion. By maintaining a clean and balanced complexion, deep cleansing can enhance the effectiveness of skincare products and promote overall skin health. Regular sessions contribute to a clearer, smoother, and more radiant appearance, making it a key step in any comprehensive skincare routine. Regular cleansing is a daily routine designed to remove surface-level dirt, oil, and makeup from the skin. It helps maintain basic hygiene and keeps the skin feeling fresh. Deep cleansing, however, goes a step further by targeting impurities that lie beneath the surface. This process often involves specialized products or techniques, such as exfoliation, masks, or steam treatments, which help unclog pores and remove stubborn buildup. Deep cleansing is typically done less frequently than regular cleansing and is essential for maintaining clear, healthy skin over time. By reaching deeper layers, it can improve skin texture and promote a more radiant complexion. There are several indicators that your skin may benefit from a deep cleanse. Clogged pores, often visible as blackheads or whiteheads, can signal a buildup of oil and impurities. Dullness is another common sign where your complexion appears lackluster and less radiant than usual. Increased breakouts, including pimples or blemishes, may also suggest that your skin is struggling to stay clear. These symptoms often arise when regular cleansing isn't enough to remove excess dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Recognizing these signs early can help you take steps to restore your skin's natural balance and glow. Dermatologists emphasize that the frequency of deep cleansing should be tailored to individual skin types and daily habits. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, deep cleansing once or twice a week can help remove excess oil and prevent clogged pores. Individuals with dry or sensitive skin are advised to limit deep cleansing to once every 2 weeks, as over-cleansing may lead to irritation. Lifestyle factors also play a role. People exposed to heavy pollution, frequent makeup use, or intense physical activity may benefit from more regular deep cleansing. However, experts caution against excessive deep cleansing, which can disrupt the skin's natural barrier. Ultimately, it's important to listen to your skin's needs and consult a dermatologist for personalized advice. Preparing your skin for a deep cleanse begins with thorough makeup removal. Use a gentle makeup remover or micellar water to dissolve foundation, eye makeup, and any residue on the skin's surface. Next, move on to a pre-cleansing step by applying a mild cleanser suited to your skin type. Massage it gently in circular motions to lift away impurities without causing irritation. Rinse with lukewarm water to avoid stripping your skin of natural oils. By carefully removing makeup and pre-cleansing, you create a clean canvas, ensuring that the deep cleansing process will be more effective and less likely to cause discomfort. Selecting the appropriate deep cleansing products and tools is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Facial cleansers help remove dirt, oil, and impurities, while exfoliants work to slough away dead skin cells, promoting a brighter complexion. Brushes and other cleansing devices can enhance the effectiveness of these products by providing gentle yet thorough cleansing. It's important to choose items that are suited to your specific skin type, whether it's oily, dry, sensitive, or combination. Using products formulated for your needs can help prevent irritation and achieve optimal results. Regularly updating your routine as your skin changes ensures continued effectiveness and skin health. To achieve a thorough deep cleanse, begin by gently wetting your face with lukewarm water. Apply a small amount of cleanser, massaging it into your skin using circular motions to help lift away dirt and excess oil. Next, exfoliate by using a mild scrub or exfoliating brush, focusing on areas prone to congestion such as the nose and chin. Be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can irritate the skin. Rinse thoroughly with cool water to remove all traces of cleanser and exfoliant, ensuring your skin feels refreshed and clean. Pat your face dry with a soft towel, avoiding harsh rubbing. This process helps to clear pores and prepare your skin for further treatment or hydration. Steam and facial masks play a significant role in deep cleansing routines by helping to open pores and remove impurities from the skin. Steam works by gently warming the skin, which softens debris and makes it easier to cleanse away excess oil and dirt. Facial masks, especially those designed for deep cleaning, can then penetrate more effectively, drawing out impurities and revitalizing the complexion. To use these treatments safely, it's important not to overdo steam sessions. 5 to 10 minutes is usually sufficient, and to keep the water at a comfortable temperature to avoid irritation. Masks should be chosen based on your skin type and used according to the instructions, typically no more than once or twice a week. Always follow up with a gentle moisturizer to restore hydration and maintain skin balance. With proper use, steam and masks can leave your skin feeling refreshed and deeply cleansed. After a deep cleanse, your skin may feel refreshed, but also more vulnerable to irritation and dryness. To restore balance, it's important to apply a gentle, alcohol-free toner that helps soothe and prepare your skin for hydration. Follow with a lightweight moisturizer containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides, which lock in moisture and support the skin's natural barrier. Avoid harsh exfoliants or products with strong fragrances immediately after cleansing, as these can exacerbate sensitivity. If your skin feels particularly tight, consider using a calming serum or a hydrating mask for extra nourishment. Remember, post-cleansing care is essential for maintaining healthy, resilient skin. Dermatologists emphasize the importance of avoiding certain mistakes during deep cleansing routines. One common error is overexfoliation, which can strip the skin of its natural oils and lead to irritation or sensitivity. Using harsh products, especially those with strong chemicals or abrasive ingredients, may damage the skin barrier and cause redness or dryness. It's also crucial not to cleanse too frequently, as this can disrupt the skin's balance. Experts recommend choosing gentle, pH-balanced cleansers and exfoliating no more than 2 to 3 times a week. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you can maintain healthy, resilient skin while effectively removing impurities. Maintaining the results of a deep cleanse requires consistent daily care and mindful habits. Start by cleansing your skin gently each morning and evening to remove impurities and excess oil. Use a moisturizer suited to your skin type to keep your complexion balanced and hydrated. Applying sunscreen every day protects your skin from harmful UV rays, which can undermine the benefits of your cleanse. Avoid touching your face frequently, as this can transfer bacteria and oils. Regularly change pillowcases and towels to minimize exposure to dirt. Finally, consider using non-comedogenic products to prevent clogged pores and preserve your skin's clarity between deep cleansing sessions. When deep cleansing sensitive, acne-prone, or aging skin, it's important to take special precautions to avoid irritation and damage. For sensitive skin, choose gentle cleansers that are free from harsh chemicals and fragrances, and avoid excessive scrubbing. Acne-prone skin benefits from non-comedogenic products and mild exfoliants that help clear pores without causing inflammation. Aging skin often requires hydrating formulas that preserve moisture and support the skin's natural barrier. Regardless of skin type, always follow up with a soothing moisturizer and sunscreen to protect and nourish the skin after cleansing. Consulting with a dermatologist can help tailor a routine that meets individual needs and addresses specific concerns. Persistent skin issues can sometimes signal the need for professional evaluation. If you notice symptoms such as chronic redness, itching, or rashes that do not improve with over-the-counter treatments, it may be time to consult a dermatologist. Other warning signs include sudden changes in the appearance of moles, unexplained skin growths, or sores that fail to heal. Frequent outbreaks of acne, eczema, or psoriasis that interfere with daily life also warrant expert attention. Additionally, if you experience pain, swelling, or signs of infection like pus or fever, seeking medical advice is crucial. Early intervention can help prevent complications and ensure you receive the most effective treatment for your skin concerns. In summary, effective deep cleansing is essential for maintaining healthy, radiant skin. By following dermatologist-approved techniques, you can remove impurities, excess oil, and buildup that may contribute to common skin concerns. Consistency and choosing the right products for your skin type are key to achieving optimal results. Remember, gentle cleansing helps preserve your skin's natural barrier while promoting a clearer complexion. Make deep cleansing a regular part of your routine to support overall skin health and vitality.